Oh, well, the bowlers have just been, they've just been so excited about the YouTubes. They just, they're up there bowling, and the first thing they want to do is run back and see what's on the monitors up above. We see so much laughter with the kids. They're having such a great time, more families involved with this. So it's just been quite a phenomenal experience. It's probably one of the most important things about this system, and why we were looking at it is because when you look up at the graphics and you're seeing all the little funny things and, and the angry face, and you're like, and it's just dancing across the board. People just stand back and watch. It's just, it's so exciting for the kids. It's really quite a feature that we were looking forward to putting in. We want to go, everything is now this digital, social media and everything. And when they were talking about how you could use these with your iPads, just like one, and you could use it with Facebook, you can tell your friends you're out there. It was just, this is the way we wanted to go. And you can talk, you can lane chat with it. It's just that, the kids have a great time with it. You can see that they're talking back and forth between each other and waving and this type of stuff. It was just the way to go, because just the way the market is going in this industry. Probably this system here, we had a newer system before, and we had to go down and actually show people how to. You need to put your name in, and then you need to push this button. You have a kid today, you give them your cell phone, you don't have to tell them how to use it. They just start using it. Same way with the pads. It's just so simple to use. It's a real bring them back in, because our business has stayed up and it's been steady, and we see familiar faces coming back again because they have such a good time. And it isn't always the same thing when they come back. There's always something a little bit different every time that they use the U-Tunes or use some of the other features, the games that they can play. We put this in October of 2013. And since then, our business in just bowling has been up 8%, which is, I don't know, for us it's phenomenal. And our overall traffic's been up about 10%. We see, people coming back. We have a lot more birthday parties that are coming in there now, because we have, features that we can, put all these kids love to see all the stuff that's out there. Just as an example, we had a dueling pianos in our bar a week ago Friday. And afterwards, I want to go up and thank the guy to come in, and he says, before he said anything else, he says, "Where did you get that system?" He says, "We had our kids out there and they just had a blast." It was just an experience. I was like, stood back, I'm like, I'm talking to you about how your show was, and you're wanting to know what we did out here. So he was just totally excited. We'd probably talk for 10 minutes about the system. So, that kind of experience for me is just so rewarding, because I see people out there going, we love it.